I am currently watching the euro dollar, gold, and silver for any potential entries here. Currently, this is the euro dollar. Then we'll switch over. I was watching this. In the meantime, I'm going to switch over to gold, and then I'll work my way back down here to Forex. So this is what I'm seeing here on gold. Here on the 1 hour. This area here, with this Fibonacci retracement, this is my dealing range here. So here I've got gold delivering here to the sell side, and this being external range liquidity high right here, and this being external range liquidity low here on the 1 hour chart. And we can see price has reached the equilibrium level and is now trading below that level. So short bias here on the 1 hour chart on gold, and then here on the 5-minute chart you can see sell side delivery, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So you can see here price delivering to the sell side and then getting a market structure shift here to the buy side, and now price trading to the buy side. I'm looking for a sweep of this candle here because in addition to the structure being bearish on the 1 hour chart, there is also a market structure shift here to the sell side on the 1 hour chart. So downtrend, and oh, that's an error. This is a break of structure. Break of structure to the sell side, and also an overall downtrend. So to me, this would be a continuation for sales here with this downtrend and then this break of structure to the sell side. So I'm looking for a sweep of some buy side liquidity here on the 5-minute, and then look for an opportunity to take a trade to the sell side here on gold during the Asian kill zone. Similar setup here on silver. So silver, here is my 1 hour dealing range here. External range liquidity high. External range liquidity low here, and we can see price is trading low in the range in an area of discount here. This would be an area of premium for the overall range. And then within this, we can see the most recent price action here putting in a break of structure to the sell side right here with this body candle close below this swing low here. And price pulling back into this bearish fair value gap right here. And now price looking to redeliver here to the sell side. Then for Euro USD, same thing. You can see price in a downtrend here. External range high, external range low. Price trading low in the range, and then within that, getting a break of structure here to the sell side. price pulling back into this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or bearish fair value gap. Same thing here, looking for a sweep of this level here, sweep of the previous hourly candle here. And I was having a look at Bitcoin, but Bitcoin looks to be setting up a little differently. But Bitcoin delivery to the sell side here, or you can see the dealing range here, a much larger dealing range here, sell side delivery, and price trading low within the range here in discount. But you can see here there's a series of breaks of structure here. There's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure there. So a series of breaks of structure, and then we're getting pulled back into this bearish gap here, and price redelivering to the sell side. I don't want to see price sweep out buy side liquidity here, but with price being this low here in the 5-minute range, I doubt that that would happen. Also here on the 1-hour chart, you can see this bullish fair value gap right here. I do not want to trade into this, because even though price may not deliver very high, it can send price out to sweep out the buy side liquidity resting here. So seeing this bullish fair value gap for me eliminates Bitcoin from being a trade opportunity during today's Asian session. Head back over to Euro. Actually, we'll head back over to gold. Work our way back through commodities. You can see gold here, still consolidating. Silver, same thing, still consolidating in the middle of the range. So, may not get an entry during this session. So right now, watch gold, silver, and euro dollar. Right now, all three trading mid-range or mid-price range, waiting for price action to sweep the previous hourly candle high for a potential short entry. So right now, gold and euro dollar a bit closer to being able to sweep, but with the amount of time remaining in the session, it may be doubtful if price is going to provide an entry opportunity. And in that case, it is wait until the London session for an opportunity. I've recognized that I need to, order and also increase my trade criteria. That way I'm eliminating bad trades, dialing in my system to allow for enough trades to be comfortably profitable, but also a system that weeds out or eliminates poor or less than desirable opportunities, or let's say lower probability opportunities. So one of the things that I've implemented today is making sure that in addition to having a dealing range, this is what I'm currently using for structure. So I was using market structure before, but more of the immediate structure, which can be good for short-term moves, but those short-term moves don't even always make it to 2 to 1. So wanting to get into the trades that have more legs or more room to move in the first place, so only getting in those, and then having confirmation. So with here, having the dealing range with price to the sell side here. So that's one confirmation that I'm using. Then a second confirmation, looking at the immediate price action. So the overall price action with the dealing range, and then the immediate price action with the current price leg here. So the overall dealing range is bearish, and then the current price action here is also bearish. So that's my second confirmation. And then third confirmation, seeing a bearish sweep here on the, or at least seeing a sweep of the buy side liquidity here, which could potentially trigger a sell side delivery. So in order for me to consider taking a position, I'm going to at least need to see those three confirmations. And then after that, I have a few other minor confirmations that I would want to see in order to even confirm these three confirmations. So I'm really trying to dial in and pinpoint everything that I want to see to make more high precision and high accuracy trades. I just realized that reducing the amount of errors, or if I take fewer trades but have fewer losses, it's going to lead to more profits and less work. So trying to work on being patient, and also just letting the math behind my trading system work for me instead of undermining it by over trading. Another thing with gold, I'll go back to gold. First here on silver, if you see the immediate price leg here, there is no fair value gap or anything formation here. So I really like this for a short because there's nothing to trade back into that would likely send price back to the buy side. The problem with gold, much like I mentioned with Bitcoin with that bullish fair value gap, is that gold, in order to meet my trade criteria by sweeping out this swing high here or this previous hourly candle, it's going to form a bullish fair value gap, and I don't want to trade back into that. So I'm likely going to scratch gold from my list and focus on silver. And then I'll go back over to euro dollar and see if there are any potential fair value gaps to trade into, or if the gaps have been filled. Okay, so here you can see a gap forming here, or there is a gap here. I'll put it in. So this could, just like on Bitcoin here, price trade into it. It can send price higher here. Could also fail it, but looking at probabilities, chances are that price is going to send price higher once it trades into it, but there is no guarantee on that. If I'm not careful, I will select my way out of any trade. So I'm going to keep my eyes on these things, even the ones that I said I don't want to trade. I'll keep my eyes on them. But with the time remaining in the session, I'm just finding it doubtful that I'll find an entry, or that my entry criteria will be met in any currency pair during this session. This session looks like it's going to be watching paint dry here, so I'm going to let it dry. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.